Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get unlimited Microsoft Rewards points effortlessly so you can grab all those amazing gift cards for free. This is very easy topic. I can explain it in very easy way. So, let's get started. For those of you who don't know, Microsoft Rewards is a program that lets you earn points just by searching the web, completing quizzes, and other simple tasks. These points can be redeemed for a variety of gift cards, subscriptions, and more. It's literally free money. But the real question is, how do you maximize your points without wasting time on low-yield tasks like playing games that give you only a handful of points? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover today. By following this method, you can earn up to 250 points daily, and all you need is a computer, a browser extension, and a few minutes of your time. First things first, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to earn Microsoft Rewards points: web searches. Depending on your level in the Microsoft Rewards program, you can earn anywhere from 50 to 250 points per day just by searching the web. You earn 5 points per search, and it doesn't matter what you search for. The only limitation is the daily cap, which varies based on your level. Now, here's the real game changer. We're going to automate these searches so you don't have to spend hours doing them manually. To do this, we need a browser extension called Bing Automate. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open up a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the web store, type in Bing Automate into the search bar. Click on the first result you see, which should be Automate your Bing searches. Then, press the Add to Chrome button. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you'll get a pop-up asking to add this extension to Edge. Click on Add Extension, and it will start downloading. Once the extension is installed, you'll notice its icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the little puzzle piece icon to access your extensions, and make sure Automate your Bing searches is visible. Now, let's configure it. Click on the extension, and you'll see some options pop up. First, we need to set the parameters to make the most of our searches. Then click on New tab and type News in America. After that, go back to Extension. And then you will see option. For the first box, set it to 25. This represents the number of desktop searches. In the second box, set the number of mobile searches to 5. This way, you'll cover both types of searches and maximize your daily points. For the minimum delay between searches, set it to 0.5 seconds, and for the maximum delay, set it to 1.5 seconds. Also, make sure to check the box that says Close tab once completed to keep things tidy. After you've done this, click Start Activities. As you can see, the extension will start opening new tabs and performing searches on its own. It's literally doing all the work for you. You might notice it searching for random things. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Once you reach the daily cap of 250 points, the extension will stop, and you can simply close it. This entire process should only take a few minutes. If you find that you're not earning points, or the extension isn't working as expected, try increasing the delay between searches to 2 or even 4 seconds. This ensures that searches are being registered correctly and points are awarded. Setting a longer delay will give the pages enough time to load and ensure that your searches are counted before the tabs close. You might lose a little speed, but this will make sure you get all your points. One last thing, remember that there's a daily cap on the number of points you can earn. If you continue to run the extension past this limit, you're just wasting your time because no extra points will be added. Stick to the limit, and you'll maximize your points efficiently. With these points, you can redeem a variety of rewards. Whether it's Xbox gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or other goodies, you now have a steady stream of points coming in daily. And that's it. By following these steps, you can earn unlimited Microsoft Rewards points quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more awesome tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.